Well, hello guys. In this video, we'll learn about spinners in Android. So basically, spinners are drop-down menu. We don't call it drop-down in Android. Instead, we call it spinner, right? So let me just close the previous project and remove everything from it because we don't really need them. And let's take a spinner inside XML. Width will be wrap content, match parent, and text. I don't need with ID will be spinner, and that's it. To show a little bit, okay, the height is match parent, which is not what we want, right? So to show a little bit better, we'll include a text view for it, and text will be cars, right? And that's it. We'll give some padding to it, padding as maybe 30 dp. Instead, let's just give margin top as 100 dp. No, instead let's just give padding as 150 dp, right? And inside linear layer, we'll take a button as well to show our selection of from the spinner. So button will be text, will be click me as always, and the ID will be click, right? Now let's go to our main activity and let's create a variable for spinner sp and a variable for button as well b. Now let's map them with our XML. B equals to find view by ID, r.id.click, click, and sp will be find view by ID, r.id.spinner. Right now, to select a particular item from dropdown, we need to show items inside dropdown. So for that, we'll take a list, array list, as a matter of fact, sorry, not list view, list, the type of string. I will name it cars equals to new array list, right? And to add items inside array list, we call cars.add rd, cars.add BMW, then Lamborghini and Bugatti. Right, so now we have list as well. Now we need array adapter, so let's make an array adapter equals to new array adapter, just as we made in the lecture of list view main activity.this, but inside this we will pass android.r.layout.simple underscore spinner dropdown spinner item, right? And as the last argument, we'll pass our array list cars. Now adapter will call another method on adapter dot set drop down view resource, and as an argument we'll pass android.r.layout.simple underscore spinner drop down item, right? So that's it. Now we'll add this adapter to our spinner as p.set adapter. So let's see if we can get this array list inside our spinner. So let's see if it's working or not. We run our application and it will take a bit of time. Okay, it has installed. It's pretty quick this time. So as you can see, we have got our list inside our spinner. Right now, suppose I want an output of the selected item. Right, I have selected Lamborghini from here. The reason, first of all, the reason why this is not showing the whole name is because it is not having enough width. So you can adjust that from XML yourself, right? So back to the topic, I want a selected item from this. So on click of this button, our selected item will get pop-up. The toast method, we'll use toast method, will get pop-up on our screen. So let's first of all make p.set on click listener new on click listener, and inside which we'll call method called on item selected listener, but we still not have it. Okay, outside this let's call on item selected. Okay, we need to have sp dot on set on item selected listener new on item selected listener will take a string s will be parent, this parent dot get item at position, we pass position this and dot to string. Now we have our selected item inside this string. Now the only thing we want is to call a toast method, and we'll pass that string inside this toast. But this is out of the scope of this, so let's just take this toast out and let's put it here. So we don't need this button, we won't be needing this, so let's just clear that and run our application. So it has run, and let's click BMW. It's giving BMW, right? So yeah, if you are thinking how can we get this value at the button click, you just need to have this string as a global variable outside this onClick method. Then you take this inside s, and then you create onClick listener in button, and you toast that, you write the same line inside the onClick listener. So that is a homework for you. If you cannot do it, just comment below, I'll help you with that. I'll try to answer every single question you write down in the comment section, right? So that's it for this video. This is how the spinner works in Android. So I'll see you guys in the next video.